This one mistake is silently destroying your machines, costing lakhs in downtime, and you don't even see it coming. Most factories don't fail because of big problems. They fail because small issues go unnoticed. No tracking, no system, no clarity, just guesswork. But world-class factories use one powerful system. The Total Productive Maintenance Board, OEE gauge, shows hidden losses. Abnormality map tracks every defect. SIL checklist prevents breakdowns daily. Skill matrix ensures only trained hands work. MTBF and MTTR reveal reliability trends. One-point lessons fix problems fast. AM step indicator tracks team progress. This is the difference between constant breakdowns and a world-class factory. If you can see the problem, you can fix the problem. Follow for more real factory secrets. Like, share, subscribe, because the next tip can save your entire production.